All right, crispy broiler beef. So I usually do 2 pounds in one pan in the oven. As you can see, just thawed out the beef. The fastest way to thaw beef or any meat is in a bowl of water, as long as the bag is vacuum sealed. So again, 2 pounds, I add it to the pan, chop the meat around just a bit, and then I do add seasoning. This will work with any ground meat, ground pork, ground chicken. I just prefer ground beef for this method. So my preferences spice-wise are sea salt, organic garlic powder, as well as smoked paprika. This recipe works with no spices, with just sea salt or smoked sea salt, or of course you can add spices if you are keto or tolerate spices on carnivore. So 1 layer of sea salt, 1 layer of garlic powder, and then adding the smoked paprika as well. I've added the spices in any order. This is just what I typically do first: salt, the garlic, and then the smoked paprika. If spices aren't your thing, smoked sea salt works great for a little bit of variety and difference in flavor. Broiler is set to high, and I always set the meat on the second rack down from the top. About halfway through, which is about 10 minutes, you're going to pull the meat out and chop it around in the pan. So just allow the juices to move through all of the meat. I don't drain any of the juice. I keep the rendered fat and juice in the meat. You're welcome to drain it. And then I put it back into the broiler, probably about another 5 to 7 minutes, depending on how you like your meat cooked. There you go, your easiest ground beef recipe ever, crispy broiler beef. Last and not least, of course, glass container. This is a Pyrex dish, easy storage in the refrigerator. Pour the juice over the top. And best reheating method, convection toaster oven, or stovetop.